This is the solution video for section 3.5, problem number 6. So we are trying to find dy dx. So you'll notice that this equation is not explicitly solved for y because there is a y on both sides of the equation. All right, so we're going to have to use implicit differentiation. All right, so we're going to take the derivative with respect to x of both sides. So on the left side, I actually just have dy dx, but on the right side, we're going to take the derivative with respect to x of the cosecant of xy. All right, so on the left side, we just get dy dx. That's easy enough. Equals on the right side. Now, derivative with respect to x of cosecant xy. All right, so we're going to have to use the derivative of cosecant, which is negative cosecant of xy, cotangent of xy, and then times the derivative of xy. So now we need the product rule. X times dy dx plus y times the derivative of x, which is just 1. All right, so now I have dy dx on the left side there, and then I have it over here on the right side. So now I actually want to solve for dy dx by getting the two dy dx's together. So I'm going to distribute that negative cosecant xy, cotangent xy into this x dy dx plus y. So I get dy dx on the left side equals. All right, so now on the left side, I've got the negative, and I'm going to put the x in front. So negative x cosecant xy cotangent xy times dy dx. And then plus, sorry, not plus, I'm going to distribute this negative cosecant xy cotangent xy to y. And so I get minus, and then I'm going to put the y in front. Cosecant xy cotangent xy. All right, so now I want to group together the dy dx. So that means I'm going to bring this negative x cosecant xy cotangent xy dy dx to the left side of the equation by adding it. So I get dy dx plus x cosecant xy cotangent xy dy dx equals negative y cosecant xy cotangent xy. All right, so now I want to factor out dy dx on the left side. So I factor out dy dx, and I'm left with 1 plus x cosecant xy cotangent xy equals the right side, negative y cosecant xy cotangent xy. All right, so now we finish off by dividing by this factor multiplied by dy dx. So I have dy dx equals negative y cosecant xy cotangent xy, all divided by 1 plus x cosecant xy cotangent xy. So now the only other thing that you might do is you might, do some trig manipulation by putting things in terms of sine and cosine and, kind of changing it around that way. So that is problem number 6.